Be the Hood 427, but you could call me T Tucker 2K up in the top corner. Today I'm going to be playing my first video on Clash Royale. Who saw that? If you just saw that, I was opening a free chest and I got a legendary DeLog. I'm so lucky these days. Do you see that? That's crazy. It's like so hard to get. Wow. Wow. Do you see this? This is so crazy, man. Now I have two legendaries. I have the Sparky, which I love. And now I have the Log. So, anyways, with this video, I'm going to be trying to get me to Arena 7. And right now I'm in Arena 6 with three crowns, with 7 crowns. And I need 3 more crowns to get the crown chest. And the crown chest is actually where I won my Sparky. So, if you want it to be in my clan, it's called Blue Fire. My friend Yurik is Saggy Lion. My second account, which is my brother's account, is Corey, and I do not know who Spades in at the time. Spades is at the time. See, I was once inside of Arena 7, but I got the Elite Barbarians, but I got the Mega Minion inside Arena 6. The Builder's Workshop, which I am in now. So I need one more legendary until I have all of the cards inside the Arena 6 workshop. Well, Builder's Workshop. Do I have Golem? Yes, I do have Golem, so I just need Miner. Alright, so let's get into this battle. Okay, so right now I'm versing German Royal, and he is in no clan. So I'm going to send it Mega Minion and my balloon. So he decides to send his balloon with nothing. And then I'm going to put my prince down. Oh, so he played his. Whoa, so my prince didn't exactly make it, but I still got there. And then my balloon turned up some stuff right there. Some stuff. This is kind of crazy, but wait, I got this. Attack that wizard. So I'm going to send my Sparky. Hurry up, wizard. Place it. Boom. There we go. Teamwork, baby. There we go. He still made it out. I like that. Hurry up. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Yes. Let's go. Okay. So, I'm just going to put my Mega Minion down for his baby dragon. And then when I get enough elixir, I'm going to send out my prince and my wizard. Mega Minion is soon going to die because it's only level 1. Wait, change of plans. I'm going to have to send my barbarians because barbarians can easily take out witch. And I'm going to send out my wizard. So boom and boom. Alright, so now that I have double elixir, I'm going to send out my Sparky. And then I'm going to send out my prince. Yeah. Game. Good game. Another win by Sparky. So that was a 3 crown. Ooh, a golden chest. So I just got my crown chest. So let's go ahead and open it. 364 coins, 3 gems, 9 zaps, 10 bombers, 28 skeletons, and 5 battle rams. Okay. Alright, so instead of my Mega Minion, I'm going to try out the log inside this deck. So let's try it. I'm going to jump straight into the next battle. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what I'm recording off of to record on my screen, I'm recording off of Mobozine. How do I get that off of the screen? Alright, so I'm going to send out the log to mow all of this back. Didn't really do nothing, but here we go. And my skeleton army is taken out by Wizard. And his tower is taken out. I'm sorry.